Hi, I'm Rich Valentine, and today I'm going to be going over making changes to fillable templates from the marketing catalog. This design here is a soccer design. Like most of our designs, we have a very generic headline, so it can be repurposed for different soccer related events. So you could use this for maybe a soccer 101, like a class. You could use this for soccer challenges as it is now, maybe a soccer tournament or a soccer league. How to make these changes? It's very simple. Click on the first field that you want to edit, and on Windows, Control E, on Mac, Command E, and that'll bring up your text editor so you can make any minor changes. A lot of times you won't even need this. You can just go in there and make your changes. So we're going to call this one Soccer League. Click on the next event, the next text line. The next text line will change the date to March 23rd, maybe at 2 p.m. Click on next field. So this is where it gets a little tricky. This is called rich text, and what rich text does, it enables you to use different text sizes in a single block. And this is good because it gives you the opportunity to create text hierarchy. For example, the viewer will, when they primarily look at this design, they'll see the artwork. That'll pull them in. They'll see, can you kick it, that message, and from there, the eyes will be naturally read from the larger text to the smaller text, and so forth. So the eye should go from can you kick it to soccer league, then they'll see the date, and then they'll see the supporting information. So what you don't want to do is highlight the entire text to make your change. And the reason why you don't want to do that is because you start typing, you'll lose all your formatting. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't want to do that. The graphic designer has already laid everything out to be nice and clear. So instead, highlight just the string of text that you're working on that's the same font size without disturbing the rest of the font, and make your changes just to that. So type your message, whatever you want to read, and you're good to go there. And then supporting information down below. Perhaps you want yours to mention a free t-shirt to event participants. You want to mention other relevant information, contact information. Edit down here. Maybe a disclaimer at the bottom. And when you're done, take a look at it. So as you can see, it works, right? But there's a little bit of space here, and everything's kind of bunched together. So to change that, you highlight the text that you want to bring down. You don't want to hit enter because it gives you a really unsightly hard return, and it's not going to allow you to make spaces because there's no room to make a space that large across the board. So underneath, so you need 1, 2, 3 spaces to do that. So instead, highlight the string of text, go to your text editor, click more, and underneath paragraph, here's spacing. This is actually called leading, and leading is the distance between each line that are stacked on top of each other. So don't type a number in there because you're going to be guessing, and just use your arrow keys up and down. So we have a 6 point there. Go to the next one if you want to. Bring that one down, or maybe keep it there. It's up to you. And the last one. Close that. And there you go. It's that simple. So when you save your design, make sure you save it as a different file name so you have the original integrity of the original file. This enables your users or yourself to go back in there at a later date and start fresh from nice clean design. If you keep the file name the same, over time things are going to get tweaked and things aren't going to look that great because it's just going to kind of fall out of formatting. So try to maintain the integrity of the original design in a file so you don't have to go back and download it, and so you have that clean working board to start with. But that's it. Thank you very much.